In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to open the App Store. Once you've opened the App Store, you want to click on the search icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then you want to tap the search bar at the top, and you want to search for ChatGPT. Once you've done this, it should be the top result, which will look like this. Now you want to go ahead and click on the Get button to download the app. However, because I've downloaded this in the past, mine shows as a cloud button. Once the application has been downloaded, we can exit out of the App Store, and now we can go ahead and open the ChatGPT app on our iPhone. When you open the app for the first time, you'll be taken to the welcome screen. So once you've read through this information, you want to click Continue. And now you can go ahead and start using ChatGPT just as you normally would. Just bear in mind that you won't have any chat history if you don't sign into a ChatGPT account. So to do that, you want to either click Sign Up in the top right hand corner to sign up for an account, or if you want to log into an existing account, you want to click on the two lines in the top left hand corner, and then you want to click on Sign Up or Log In at the bottom. And then you want to log into your ChatGPT account. Once you've logged into your account, you can access your chat history by again clicking on the two lines in the top left hand corner, and then you can see your chat history from here. So you can go ahead and start using ChatGPT just as you normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.